Just a little tip before the video. Before you work on your 12-volt electrical system, disconnect your battery. Had I done so, this wouldn't have happened. On with the show. Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Well, I made a goof. So I was working on my 12-volt cigarette lighter conversion to USB adapter project, and I accidentally let the leads touch, and I blew a fuse. So, that shouldn't have been an issue, right? So you find the fuse panels, you look up in your manual where the fuse is, change it out. Well, it wasn't that easy. So on our rig here, we've got a interior fuse box. And we've got a fuse box. This is the small blade, low current fuses for your interior accessories. And I went through every one of those. I thought, okay, it's got to be one of those in here. Went through every one of them, didn't see any issues. Looked in the manual, didn't see anything about cigarette lighters, but you know, I wasn't looking in the right area. I thought it was just like the interior 12-volt lead. So then I went outside. Okay, so we'll go outside because I know there's some coach fuses out here that are in here, right? Okay, no problem. Let's open this up. So we have the coach fuses in here. Looked around. I found the big ones, the 20 amp, because I figured it's got to be a 20 amp fuse. Everything looked fine. So still stumped. So what do? You have to go out to the forums. I was stumped. So I asked around. They said, yeah, there's a Ford fuse box with the high current fuses. And I could not figure out what that was. I thought that's what this was. And then I kept reading around, went to some other forums. They said, yeah, it's a smaller fuse box by the radiator. All right. So the only thing I could find was this power distribution box up under here. All right, no problem. Now, it took me probably 15 minutes to try to figure out how to get this thing open. And there's a little slide piece here that confused me. It really has no purpose that I can see. There's 4 clips on the top, or two clips on the top and 2 on the bottom. And then this thing just opens up. So here's where your high current fuses are. And then I looked in the book again, and they said there's some reference to fuse number 22, and also that was brought up on the forums as check fuse 22. So that's what I did. It's a 20 amp fuse. Looked at it, and the center's shot. So I blew my 20 amp high current fuse. It's located in this switch panel here. Went to Ace Hardware. I don't know if you have Ace Hardware in your area, but they didn't have it. I had to go to AutoZone. $3.50 later, I have my 20 amp fuse. So we're going to pop it in, and should fix the issue. But just wanted to do a quick video for anyone or myself wanting to try to recall where the high current fuses are. Check the Ford switch box. That's where the high current are. They're the big ones, the big fuses. Anyway, thanks for watching.